How to fix top part of lock screen wallpaper blur. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if the top part of your lock screen wallpaper is blurry. Now it's going to be case to case basis if you're running with iOS or Android. Now go into settings and then from settings, scroll down, or you can just simply use the magnifying glass to look for wallpaper. Now scroll down and choose on change wallpaper. Now, as you can see, at the very last portion of these features right here, it says dim wallpaper when dark mode is on. Now, you just simply turn this thing off so that there is gonna be no part of your wallpaper will be blurred, especially with your lock screen. Now, if you go back, it will automatically be saved and you can check it out. And that's basically it. That's how you fix top part of lock screen wallpaper blur.